Most businesses fail. The question is, how can you create a business that doesn't? Based on data, we've identified 6 businesses with the lowest failure rates. This analysis is backed by statistics because it's valid to worry about starting a business that might fail. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, an official source, 20% of U.S. small businesses fail within the first year. That number jumps to 50% by year 5, and by year 10, 2/3 of all businesses have shut down. Those are not great odds. So, let's look at the data to find the businesses with the highest chances of success. Choosing the right business to start is crucial. If your first venture fails, you might hesitate to take another risk. This is called recency bias. Winning in your first attempt builds confidence for future success, while a loss can reduce your willingness to try again. Now, let's dive into the 6 businesses with the lowest failure rates. 1. Laundromats. This may not surprise some of you. Laundromats have a surprisingly high success rate. According to Laundrylux, laundromats have a 94.8% success rate over 5 years. Another study by the Chamber of Commerce in partnership with Speed Queen supports this, showing a success rate of around 93%. Why do laundromats succeed? They are simple to run, require fewer employees, and people need clean clothes regardless of economic conditions. They also offer passive income if managed remotely. For instance, machines act as employees, and operations can often run smoothly with minimal supervision. 2. Rental properties. Real estate is another solid business choice with an 85.3% success rate. As Andrew Carnegie famously said, 90% of all millionaires become so through owning real estate. Why? Real estate is backed by hard assets like property. Rental income provides cash flow, and properties typically appreciate over time, averaging 4% growth annually. Additionally, leveraging mortgages and tax benefits like depreciation and 1031 exchanges makes real estate a reliable investment. 3. Self-storage facilities. For those who prefer real estate without dealing with tenants, self-storage is an excellent option. These businesses have a 92% success rate, as per studies by Rhino Building. Advancements in technology have made it easier to operate self-storage units remotely. Features like automated billing, keyless entry, and security systems allow for minimal hands-on management. Plus, simple improvements, such as a fresh coat of paint, can increase the facility's value significantly. 4th, transportation and logistics. With the rise of e-commerce and the gig economy, transportation businesses, especially last-mile delivery, have become essential. These businesses boast a 76.4% success rate, according to AdvisorSmith. From running a local delivery service to managing long-haul trucking, transportation businesses can start small and scale over time. The upfront costs are manageable, especially if you begin with a single truck or vehicle. 5. Vending machines. If you want a low-cost, high-success rate business, vending machines are worth considering. They have a success rate ranging from 82% to 90%, depending on the source. You can start with as little as $3,000 to $5,000, or buy a used machine for even less. Place it in a high-traffic area, stock it with inventory, and you're in business. While this may not make you a millionaire, it's an excellent way to learn the basics of running a business without risking a large investment. 6. Senior care centers. Surprisingly, senior care centers also have a low failure rate. With an aging population, the demand for such services is growing. Government subsidies and assistance programs often make these businesses more viable. While starting a large facility may require significant investment, many entrepreneurs begin with smaller residential care homes. These are easier to manage and have lower upfront costs. So, there you have it. 6 businesses with the lowest likelihood of failure according to the data. Which one would you like us to cover in more detail next?